Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at Shauns CoPilot EA, an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace for MT4. Right away, we can see that this EA is currently priced at 160 US dollars, with the developer noting that the price is scheduled to increase after additional sales. Now, the current version listed is 1.61, updated on October 13th, 2025, and the product comes with 5 activations. As I scroll through the marketplace page, the developer highlights Shauns CoPilot EA as a flagship product designed around precision trading and extensive customization. One of the first things mentioned is its Darwinex Zero ranking, which is presented as part of the EA's performance credentials. Buyers also receive access to a private Telegram community where users can share set files, discuss optimizations, receive support, and gain access to future updates and experimental releases. Moving further into the description, the EA is built around what the developer calls a dual layer strategy engine. The first component is referred to as anchor trades, which focus on directional market structure with more conservative sizing. Okay, and the second component is scalp trades, which are designed to capture shorter term opportunities while using additional bias and spacing filters. The EA also separates trading statistics through independent magic numbers, making it easier to monitor performance across different symbols. Now, one of the most customizable areas of Shauns CoPilot EA is its signal generation system. According to the marketplace page, traders can enable various combinations of indicators, including Bollinger Bands, Stochastic, RSI, MACD, VWAP, Fair Value Gap, Support and Resistance, Heikin Ashi, Donchian Channels, William Percent R, Kopok Curve, CMF, and several others. There are also 2 slots available for custom indicators, allowing traders to integrate their own logic into the decision-making process. The EA includes multiple ways to combine these signals. Depending on your preference, you can require all indicators to agree, use majority voting, require at least 2 confirmations, or allow individual signals to trigger entries. Okay? Now, this level of flexibility may appeal to traders who prefer tailoring an automated strategy to their own market views. Risk management is another major focus. The marketplace page mentions features such as floating loss guard, scalp loss protection, partial close functionality, break-even management, and profit securing trading mechanisms, swap avoidance logic, and the trading time filters and seasonal pause controls. All right. So there are also several position sizing methods available, including the fixed lots, martingale, Fibonacci progression, and sum progression, along with separate limits for anchor and scalp trades. On the chart management side, the EA provides built-in control panels. Traders can manually close buy positions, sell positions, all trades, or profitable trades directly from the chart. There are also performance panels displaying profit statistics and win rates, along with diagnostic overlays that show how individual indicators are contributing to trade decisions in real time. Now, let us move into the historical backtesting section as we review the completed backtest results that is displayed here. We're just going to see how the EA performed over the period of time that the developer made available. So in this case, these are the inputs though, and then here we have a backtest result: $10,000 net deposit. I mean initial deposit, $12,110.3 net profit, 1,973 total trades taken, out of which 8,835 were profitable, giving us a 93.01% win rate. Okay, and then in this case, we had 18,789.63 net profit with a 92.74% win rate, right? But the duration for the backtest didn't seem to be mentioned, right? I wanted to know the duration for the backtesting. Either ways, let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the Shauns CoPilot performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months. Okay, we are using the every tick modeling, so we're testing from March to June, 21st March to 21st June 2026. All right, so here I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 193.45. 52 total trades were taken, out of which 45 were profitable, giving us an 86.54% win rate. And I can see that largest profit was $44, largest loss was 238.96. Average profit was $2.99. Average loss was $46.85. The risk to reward ratio in this case is very bad. It's very bad. The difference between the average profit and average loss is much. But let us just turn on the visual so that we can also see the EA in action. All right. So as we review the backtest results and the chart history, this is where it's important to focus on how the EA behaved during the tested period rather than assuming future performance. Looking through the historical activity, we can evaluate how the system handled entries, exits, position management, and overall trade flow based on the settings used for the test. Okay, since the Shauns CoPilot EA allows multiple indicator combinations and several position sizing approaches, historical performance can vary significantly depending on the configuration selected, the flexibility provided by the signal voting system, the risk controls, and progression methods means that optimization choices can have a major impact on results. When reviewing any backtest, I always recommend running longer term testing yourself. A broader testing period can provide a more complete understanding of how an EA behaves across different market environments, including trending conditions, ranging markets, and periods of higher volatility. Now, looking at the historical testing performance, the results should be viewed strictly as historical analysis. Future outcomes can differ due to market conditions, broker execution quality, spread, slippage, risk settings, lot sizing, and overall optimization choices. That is why it is always worth performing your own testing and adjustments before considering any live deployment. Overall, Shauns CoPilot EA stands out primarily because of its extensive customization options, large indicator selection, advanced risk management toolkit, on-chart controls, and community support access. If you are interested in an EA that provides a high degree of flexibility and configuration control, this is probably one of them that is worth exploring further. All right, and testing for yourself, of course, before making any trading decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.